so excited.
Like, come on now. Who you know? Build their own PC. That's a female. You know what I'm saying? That's a female. I just need to help a little bit. Just a tad bit. Yes, the scenery changed, but it don't matter. Alright, so I got the Z590 motherboard. Turf Gaming. Yep. I just can't wait to see what it looks like all together. Don't ask me what it's about, how I do it. I'm just trying to make this short because I wish I can do this efficiently, but I'm too excited. That's why I can't do unboxing and all that extra stuff. So I also got the cooling, so it cools down the iron and the CPU and everything. I probably said that wrong. Oh well. But yeah, it cools down the PC basically. The whole setup. I have this thing, which is like a heavy generator for everything to turn on. It makes it run smoothly, have enough space for all the other things. I can't wait to unbox my PC. It is RM. It's 1,000 watts basically. It's 1,000 watts, so it should run very smoothly. Hopefully it does. I tried to get the best of the best. I hope they're all compatible to each other, because even though I did a lot of research, I hope they're compatible to each other, because I ready to play some games for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Ready to do this new journey and all that good stuff. Don't play with knives. Me on my other hand, I'm gonna do it for myself. Whatever. Let's see what's in this box. Let's go a little bit. In this box, right, I got the 3080 RTX GeForce 3080. Look at how sexy this box is. And honestly, I'm not throwing this box away because this looks really nice. And what y'all are sitting on is 12 gigabytes, my bad. 4 years warranty, max cover cooling, RPG Fusion 2.0. This looks sexy. I can't wait to play. Okay. And that's all good. So yeah, right here I'm just talking. Honestly, there ain't nothing special about what I'm saying. I'm just trying to hurry up and open this box. Basically, I'm saying I'm gonna be mad if my computer case is not what I ordered, you know, because I waited for a very long time and then I paid a lot of money for this. So yeah, that's kind of pretty much it. Love y'all. Thank you for watching my videos. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Ow. I'm about to say, this does not look like the PC I bought. I was about to be so hot. So this is what I got. I would tell you guys the name of it. I will put all the things at the bottom. Just do it like this. I might not have kept it. This is the eye. Now this is the power of the whole entire baby. I'm winning the best of the best right now. How to do it. Y'all, I got it to work. Now, y'all, when I say this shit looks sexy as fuck when I was looking at it, golly, that look good on the camera, you know?
What? It's on.
My brother's so ugly. This nigga ugly. Get him a mug. Bro, I look ugly as free, bro. Stupid as fuck, like, I don't know nothing. Alright, so basically, at this point, we don't know what the hell we looking at. Even though I watched so many videos on this, how
to make all my graphics look good. I just wanted it to come out the box and just have good graphics, because I bought everything that was high. And so I was like, bruh, except the case. There's certain things that I didn't, go crazy over, because I wanted the game to run. Like the box, nobody gonna care about the dang box. But this took 3 days. It was trials and errors and building it was easy and cool. I was just frustrated at this one thing, and I'm like, I got everything right. I've been watching videos on this for like 3 weeks. I felt like I was like the building computer freaking master, and then it was just dumb. Then I figured it out, and I just had the power cord in the wrong area. But I go to this place and they're gonna be like, oh yeah. I was like, I can't figure it out. I'm pretty sure everything is right. I just really can't turn it on. I just can't turn it on. That's the only thing. And it was like, oh, we're gonna charge you $200.
My brother,
The fuck?
and it works and all the extra cool stuff.
I thought that shit didn't work again. He ugly. Ugh. Bruh, at this point, I was like, okay, the computer got on.
So I'm gonna give y'all a quick update. Basically, I downloaded 11 Windows and it didn't really work at all. So I went back to the computer thing, and it took at least 2 hours to download Windows 10. And we're about to see if it works, because I'm ready to play games. I'm so excited, bro. Like, I am so happy that I made to build this, If I record this or whatever. Make it go extra fast. Just a moment. That's a little screen, like Windows stuff. We did it, guys. We
Bro,
did it, bro.
Where the hell is you gonna get your Wi-Fi from, bro? Do you have like the motherboard that comes with the like Wi-Fi thing inside it?
A lot. A week.
I was like, bro.
English, India, US. Yo, I'm at the screen. I'm at the dang screen. It's about to be a startup. So excited. Like, come on now. Who you know? Build their own PC. That's a
Nobody.
female. You know what I'm saying?
Nobody.
That's a female. I just need to help a little bit. Just a tad bit. I don't like the power button. I need to figure out where it specifically needed to go, how it needed to go, and that was it. Everything else was there with the help of my brother and my boo. So I'm so excited. Just want to thank. Just want to thank God. For loving me.
Here we go again.
And my brother. I don't like it. I'm just playing, but seriously, I can't wait to show y'all my first video. Like the first video on gaming PC. This is a start of a new family. All right. I will see y'all.